Hey everybody, Josh over here at CFT. Today we're going to talk about another quick, easy, fun project right here that we got going on for the 4th and 5th gens. This is our 5th gen test truck right here, and doing a lot of different accent cover pieces. This is your fuse box cover on here, always usually located right there. Who wants just boring plastic cover pieces? It's already dark and gloomy enough under the hood, so let's spruce it up a little bit. So we're offering these in aluminum, stainless, and titanium. Plus, if you want custom engraving, hit us an email. We could also do custom engraving. These little cover pieces just overlay right on the top of them, and we supply you with the drill bit and stainless hardware to mount them on top. Super simple, real easy. They're cheap. We do free shipping across the whole entire United States. Lifetime warranty on all of them. We offer powder coating in these also, so you got 6,500 color options to choose from in the powder coated section. CFTperformance.com. Like, share, subscribe. Hit us up if you got any questions.